In today's video, I'm going to teach you what PayPal.me is and how to use PayPal.me. PayPal.me is a personal custom link that lets you receive money through PayPal in a simple and secure way. Instead of giving someone your email address or phone number, you can just share your PayPal.me link. That makes the payment process faster, easier, and a little more private, since you're not sharing extra personal contact information. It's designed to be convenient for both you and the person sending the money. To get started, log into your PayPal account and look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which opens your account settings. Go ahead and click that. Inside this area, you should find the option to manage your PayPal.me link. If you already created one in the past, this is where you can view and manage it. If you haven't made one yet, this is also where you can create your own PayPal.me link for the first time. Once you open that section, PayPal will show you what your PayPal.me page looks like. This is helpful because it gives you a preview of the link you'll be sharing with others. You'll also see a copy link option. Click that to copy your PayPal.me link so you can paste it wherever you need it, like in a message, an email, or any other place you want to share it. When you send that link to someone, they can use it to pay you through PayPal without needing your direct contact details. That's really the main benefit of PayPal.me. It keeps things straightforward and reduces friction when someone needs to send you money. It can be especially useful for personal payments, small business transactions, or any time you want a cleaner, more professional way to request payment. One quick tip is to double-check that you're sharing the correct link before sending it out, especially if you manage more than one PayPal-related feature inside your account. And if you're creating your link for the first time, choose something that's easy to recognize, since that's what people may associate with you when they pay you. And that's it. Once you know where to find it, PayPal.me is very easy to use. You just go into your settings, manage or create your PayPal.me link, preview how it looks, and copy the link to share it with others.